minister and renowned historian Professor Gamumai Kamai passes away. He was 76. BJP Manipur president is likely to discuss party ticket with national leaders in Delhi on January 8. Drivers and owners decided not to cooperate in vehicle requisition if hiring charges are not upgraded. And opposition leaders urge Election Commission to postpone union budget presentation just ahead of assembly polls in 5 states. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laithama Monica with the latest news updates. Former Minister, BJP leader and renowned historian Professor Gamumai Kamai passed away at his residence at Mizorkul this morning at 8:20. He was 76. Chief Minister Ukrami Bobby Singh today visited his place to offer his respect to the departed and condolences to the bereaved family. A number of distinguished personalities, including former Minister R.V. Mintheng and teachers of Manipur University and representatives of several civil society organizations, offered their last respect to Professor Gamumai Kamai. Professor Kamai began his teaching career as a school teacher. He taught at Imphal College, DM College, JNU Center for Postgraduate Studies, and retired as Professor of History from Manipur University in 2001. He was also associated with Nagaland University, Rajiv Gandhi University, Arunachal Pradesh, Nehru Shillong. He is survived by his wife, 3 sons, and a daughter.
Really unfortunate for our renowned historian, Professor Gamumai Kamai. Untimely he expired. When he expired, it is not only lost his family member, but for the entire Northeast and also for the nation. We have lost a great historian, and there will be a huge gap which could not be filled. So it is most unfortunate.
BJP Manipur Pradesh, Manipur University Teachers Association, Manipur Cultural Integration Conference and Deputy Mayor of Imphal Municipal Corporation, Maibon Phaumei, have condoled the sudden demise of former Minister and NEC member Professor Gamumai Kamai. In a press release, Maibon Phaumei said it is a great loss not only for the state but for the nation. President of BJP Manipur Pradesh Khetrimayum Bhavananda and convener of State Election Management Committee Thongnaujam Chauba this afternoon leaves Imphal for Delhi to participate in the BJP National Executive Meeting to be held on January 6 and 7. Sources told Impact News that KSH Bhavananda is expected to meet the BJP national leaders on December 8 in connection with Manipur Assembly elections scheduled for March 4 and 8. The sources also said he is likely to discuss the party ticket with the national leaders. After his return to Imphal on January 9, Bhavananda will meet members of state executive members and core committee at different levels. The application forms for the party ticket is likely to be issued from January 11 and 12. Drivers and owners of vehicles operating in the state decided not to cooperate in the requisition of vehicles for the upcoming election unless the hiring charges based on the 2008 schedule is upgraded. President of Transporter and Drivers Council TDC Hizam Ranjit during a press conference demands 80% upgradation of hiring charge for vehicles to be requisited for two-phase election 2017. A press conference was held today at the office of TDC located at Imphal West MG Avenue. Ranjit further added that despite repeated appeal to the State Transport Department, the hiring charges of vehicles still based on outdated 2008 schedule. He also demanded the release of remaining amount for the vehicles which were requisited during the ADC election 2015. Otherwise, TDC is not going to agree the requisition of vehicles, particularly for Tamenglong and Ukhrul district, even if the demand of 80% upgradation for hiring charges is fulfilled.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟꯗꯤ 2008ꯇ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯔꯤꯡ ꯆꯥꯔꯖꯗꯒꯤ 80% ꯏꯟꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯖ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ 9 ꯐꯥꯔꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯔꯤꯡ ꯆꯥꯔꯖ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯗꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯄꯣꯔꯇꯔꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯅꯝ ꯍꯥꯗꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯒꯦ ꯔꯤꯀ꯭ꯋꯤꯖꯤꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯒꯦ हाइबगी मोंग माले अखोइना हायरिंग तौबा इसे हायरिंग तौरकांदा नोंगी गाड़ी एक्सीडेंट तौई पैसा पीबम थोकते का गायना पीदबसु दुम लै मदुसु अखोइना हंदक्ति याबंग मोय रिक्विजिशन तौग्रबनिना दायित्व पुनमक मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट की दायित्व गवर्नमेंट मुन्ना खनबीरकांदा वाथोक ओइदनबा अथुब मतमदा इलेक्शन डिपार्टमेंट अमदी ट्रांसपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंट मसी खनबीरकांदा अखोइगी ट्रांसपोर्टर सिंगी वारेपसी पुंफान बिउ.
The first meeting of the State-Level Media Certification and Monitoring Committee (MCNMC) on the ensuing State Assembly election was held on Conference Hall of Old Secretariat in Imphal today. The meeting, chaired by the Chief Electoral Officer Manipur, Sri Vivek Kumar Devangan, dwelt on the issues relating to paid news and other instigating content in the media which is against the Code of Conduct enforced already in the state. He said Election Commission of India had informed to activate MCNMC at the district level also, and therefore altogether 10 such committees have been formed and activated. It will check all the election-related content in the media and informed to the appellate authority. DEO Deputy Commissioner Imphal West District Robert Singh Khetrimayum has made an announcement in compliance with the instruction of Election Commission of India. In a press release, it informs that unauthorized political advertisement in form of wall writing, posters, paper or defacement in any other form shall be removed within 24 hours from the announcement of election on government property. It further informs that any unauthorized political advertisement shall be removed within 48 hours in public property and space like bus stand, airports, roadways, etc. and within 72 hours at private property and subject to local law and court's direction. As an election model code of conduct came into effect since yesterday noon, nodal officers for respective districts have been assigned. For Imphal East, Magistrate Flying Squad have been formed and starts dismantling of all the unauthorized political advertisement under the supervision of Nodal Officer S. Kunjakishore. 20 Magistrate Flying Squad assisted by another 20 police teams were working round the clock and dismantled flags of different political parties hoisted in public and private places. The team also dismantles maximum number of unauthorized political advertisement at various places located in the 10 assembly constituencies which comes under Imphal East district. Thamaiban Congress Workers Committee held a discussion on development and present political situation of Thamaiban Assembly constituency at Ima Panthobi Community Hall, Thamaiban, Maisnam Lekai. Speakers at a meeting appealed to Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee to give party tickets to Jotin Waikom, who has served the people of Thamaiban as a congressman. It may be mentioned that Jotin had contested assembly elections on Congress ticket several times in Thamaiban. After Thamaiban MLA Khumukcham Joykishan quit the BJP and joined the Congress on December 21, there has been tension among the Congress workers regarding the Congress ticket. As per Section 171B of Indian Penal Code, any person giving or accepting any gratification in cash or kind during election process is punishable with imprisonment up to 1 year or with fine or both. In a press note, DEO Imphal East Ningthausam Jeffrey further informs that any person who threatens any candidate or elector or any other person with injury of any kind is punishable with imprisonment up to 1 year or with fine or both. Flying squads have also been formed to register cases, and people can also inform any such incidents on toll-free number 1950 or the mobile number 70053218141 of the 24/7 complaint monitoring cell of the district. People today stage a protest against the arrest of Manipur People's Party President M. Sovakiran at Ukhongsang Mamanglekai, Khuman Lampag. The protesters demanded unconditional release of Sovakiran by police. Meanwhile, MPP's Vice President O. Jugindro told media persons at the MPP office near Imphal Polo Ground that the MPP President was arrested by police yesterday while he was trying to tell people to follow the election code of conduct at Ukhongsang. He condemned the arrest of the MPP President by President and demanded his immediate release.
Akogi N. Sovakiran President Amoina Madu Taisanana Honabada Togu Togdokto Esidene and Logodovani Maramaduna President Bu Akoi Karigumba condition Amta Yogdana ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯀꯁꯇꯗꯤꯗ ꯊꯝꯃꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯍꯥꯛ ꯑꯦꯠ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯃꯣꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯃꯥꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯑꯥꯏꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯃꯥꯕꯨ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯏ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ
Secretariat Finance Department Government of Manipur in a press release notified that state government shall incentivize customers by giving discount at 3% per transaction for payment made by customers through POS up to per transaction ceiling limit of rupees 5,000. This will come into effect from 1st January 2017 and will be reviewed in the month of April 2017. This is to promote, encourage and further accelerate adoption of digital modes of payments across the stakeholders. Caesar Eye Care Foundation and ex-MLA of Khetrigao Assembly Constituency Vivek Raj Wangkhem have jointly organized a free eye screening and subsidized surgery camp at Youth Welfare Club, Thambalkhong. Medicines were distributed to the people free of cost. Vivek Raj Wangkhem appreciated the announcement of the poll schedule of Manipur in 2 phases by Election Commission of India on 4th and 8th March 2017. He stated that to hold election in Manipur in the prevailing tumult situation is strenuous. He further added that National People's Party have apprised to the Election Commission of India to solve the present condition of Manipur.
Economic blockade se hangdoktana praja mayam ke awab se koannana akoi praja mayam momang da vote ni bachakani natraga akoi keno tawuni ase yam nungai tabu wafam ni aduna yam thuna economic blockade se lift honjaningi aduga election se free and fair oinaba election commission of the do's and don'ts mayam ma bibirai aduido letter and spirit ta state ki election commission na chalan binaba koi NPP ki side tagi koi state ki commission da so koina thangachari.
People of Patso Assembly Constituency organized a rally today in connection with the upcoming 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly election to be held on March 4 and 8. The rally was organized by the supporters of BJP aspiring candidate ex-MLA Sapam Kunjakeshwar alias Keba, and nearly 7,000 supporters took part in the rally. In today's rally, Sapam Kunjakeshwar alias Keba thanked the supporters and said that for 15 years, Patso Assembly Constituency had not seen any development and now people want a change. So without any consult, they voluntarily took out the rally.
तसेंबा अखोगी नुंगी ओइबा खोइना खजबद मदो थोंन्याबगी ngasi puliba teliba chatliba khongchat wabiriba myam sigi myam ju ubda khoi puning ra phogjabado akhoi phongdok chaninge athubada thani ge manungda sungsoi soidan laglaga ni manipur da BJP na lusimba government ama madaida khoi ge ngasi manipur da lairiba tangdu laita driba wariba praja sina sor nungsin ngai no honba phangdriba se sunsoi soidan hanaki thani chi manung sida tasena manipur da lairiba ken humbu makta ken pasoi ken da gi hawraga khoi congress mut laga anoba BJP gi tarang tarang government ama laina na.
Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates.
Yumanung ge application gi mapung phaba solution piriba Durasign G6 sizinabiu. Durasign ase Tata BlueScope still
Ozal Pain Relief Ointment Khwang naba, kok chikpa, tang chikpa amadi khu naba na singbada sinaba yarba Ozal Lipsap group na puthok saba Ozal sinabiyo.
Tata Shakti G6 sizinabiu. Government na piba guideline gi matung inna chap chana quality control torba Tata Shakti gi product ni. Tata Shakti gi product sing state asigi district khudimaki retail outlet sing da fangbigani. Tata Shakti.
Angels Coaching Center, Uripok Polemlaikai Imphal. Admission starts for Class 10 Revision and Class 1 to 10 Foundation. Our achievements: 11 position holders in 2013, 2014 and 2015, 20 position holders in 2016 including first positioner.
There is an unparalleled coaching center in Manipur. I see success in Angel Coaching Yarn Badi Sunga Namla, I see success in Sunga Namla.
mother had a cardiac arrest. We lost hope because we have visited so many hospitals and they were unable to help us. Thankfully, Sky Hospital came to our rescue by not only saving the life of my mother, but also giving her utmost care with the help of ventilator support by Dr. Shyam Kishore and his team of expert doctor and nurses. They were able to help her gain consciousness and now she is improving. So I'd like to thank Dr. Shyam Kishore and the entire staff of Sky Hospital.
Touch the pinnacles of success for your children. Get enrolled to one of the finest schools in Northeast India, UNESCO School. Excellence in education.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Sunflower Play School Chimanong Konani Kara admission open for 2017 for daycare, pre-nursery, nursery KG, monthly fee for daycare rupees 550 per month, monthly fee for pre-nursery, nursery rupees 400 per month, monthly fee pre-nursery, nursery plus daycare rupees 600 per month. CCTV camera operation in all the rooms. Post vacancy 2 teacher, 1 mother. Date of interview 9 January 2017. Section start from 6 February 2017. Van service available.
Fangbiragani. Lakadoriba imoinu imagi ira thaunida tangai fadana changadoraba angauba nga pengba amadi ngaton ngasimak order tobihau pengba amadi ngaton gidamak akapnaba stock ni fangfam S Tomba and Sons Pengba Farm Hyangthang.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Opposition leaders today met the Election Commission to demand postponing of the union budget presentation just shortly ahead of the assembly polls in 5 states, fearing its misuse by the government. Speaking to reporters, Congress leader Ghulam Nabi Azad said, "This is against democracy. We have requested the Election Commission to stop the presentation of union budget." Besides Azad, Congress's Anand Sharma was also part of the opposition delegation that met the Election Commission officials. A day after elections were announced in 5 states, opposition parties have united in their effort to have the budget slotted for February 1 rescheduled. The Congress, Trinamool, Samajwadi Party, Mayawati's BSP, Nitish Kumar's Janata Dal United and Lalu Yadav's RJD are set to meet the Election Commission. Elections will be held in Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Goa, Uttarakhand and Manipur from February 4, less than 72 hours after the budget is announced. The ruling BJP, however, says there is no reason to postpone the budget as every year some election or the other takes place. The first part of the budget session of Parliament will start on January 31 when the government is expected to present the economic survey which sets the tone for the budget. The cabinet decided last September to merge the railway budget with the annual budget, ending a nearly century-long practice. People of Yairipog-Yambem and the Andro Assembly constituency disowned a newspaper advertisement which claimed that 1,800 voters of ward number 2, 3, 4 and 5 of Yairipog-Yambem, which has only 1,180 voters in total, support MLA Thaunauzam Shyamkumar. In a press meet held at Manipur Press Club today, Thoinaubi Salam, resident of Yairipog-Yambem Mathak Lekai, says there may be some voters who are supporting the local MLA but not all the voters. She appeals to not repeat such an act in the future which violates the democratic right of a citizen. If it happens again, then a complaint will be lodged to the Election Commission of India to disqualify him from contesting elections.
Nungsibinaba bot khongedi haidraga voter singbu ijat manghanba mangthokpagi maongda MLA na saugatle haina lana ming haptokpa asi aranba thawongni te Shyamkumana mabu saugattaba mi mayam amagi ming lana sizinaraga mabu saugatle haina tonga sandokpani mabu aikhoina saugatte sauksu saugatloi MLA na makhata na voter aikhoibu lana pauthokpa tarbadi Manipurgi Chief Election Officer amadi Election Commission of India da parman ga loinana wakatkani.
Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad, Thoubal and Kakching branch today staged a sit-in at Thoubal Wangmataba, Hong Kong Bazaar against the indefinite economic blockade called by United Naga Council on the national highways. Former ABVP General Secretary Hari Borekar and volunteers of ABVP and students of various schools took part in the protest. Hari Borekar alleged that the state government has failed in education, agriculture and other fields.
Situation of Manipur regarding development of education sector, agriculture, industry, in every field, state government is failure for the development of Manipur. So Vidyarthi Parishad organized today's sit-in protest against this blockage with effect on society. That's why ABVP is want to bring change in Manipur. There should be change in government. There should be change in leadership. So ABVP all over in all over Manipur, we are going to organize such a sit-in protest for the change.
A press note released by PRO Police Department Manipur informs that on 3rd January, a combined team of Imphal East District Police Commando and 21 Para Special Force arrested one self-styled captain of UNLF while conducting frisking and checking at the eastern side of the Khongnang Makong Bridge. The apprehended person is Mangsa Tabam Gojendro Singh alias Telheba, aged 45, son of late M. Manihar Singh of Luang Sangbam, Makhalekai. Newly appointed chairman and board of directors of Manipur Apex Handloom Weavers and Handicrafts Artisan Cooperative Society Limited today took over their charge. The Cooperation Department appointed the chairman and 4 directors to look after the Apex body for 6 months on December 24 last year. Business manager Laithangbam Ojit said the term of the former board expired on November 9 last year. The government appointed Kangabam Indira as chairperson and other 4 directors.
Manipur government na anova board of administration manga se appoint tobidana thatar ki damte appoint todana masigi manungda akhoi gi election je thun pangthokna ba lona apex ki laiba state helm house gi magi management na jingba se sar se long chinna bagi damte order se thokone ba ada sigi marak chida laiba board of administration manga china akhoi athu matam da election tokna ba thorang do pangthokna bani masi orders the police.
People today destroyed 1,309 litres of liquor at Yangang Pokpi Bazaar under Lamlai Police Station. Since morning around 8, members of Yangang Pokpi Lamjing Nupi Loop and YPF Club carried a drive in and around Yangang Pokpi Bazaar and searched every household in the area. They seized the liquor from 10 persons during the drive and issued strict warning to them. Yesterday also, the women's organization and club seized 1,071 litres and destroyed them. They warned that use and sale of drugs and alcohol will be banned in the neighborhood. Residents of Phaknung Makhalekai under Korai constituency complained that quality was not maintained in blacktopping done under Pradhan Mantri Gram Sarak Yojana at their locality. A resident of Phaknung Makhalekai said that noticing breakage in the blacktopping led the villagers to file a complaint to the concerned department. Receiving the complaint, State Quality Corridor SQCTH Shamsundar inspected the road today and asked the workers to discontinue further work of construction as he found poor quality of blacktopping.
Sigi lambi laiba se akoina ahamba lakpa hek thaba hoba matamda kaiba adum hore masen noi khatangdi yengjambiu tawgunu ngakto haiba matamda makhoi chungta tabi gide tabidana adum hanna thagi matamda moi haina chahi manga amu hanna adum thagadabani choi gai chahi manga je akoina tawgadabani haidana akoi je tumina lerakpada phibam je yam chathina sokbide akoi meeting taw matungda noi sumaina naha noina chaluro akoi di ngamdre akoi gi soi je pigena akoi ikhuda soi je sinabi bane aduda akoi department yogjabani department yog matungda department gi mina se lakpi bane.
Police today conducted a drive against drug abusers and immoral activities at Kabul Lekai and arrested 10 persons, including 2 women. A team of police personnel under the supervision of Additional SP Operation Imphal West, Dr. Sarangthem Ibomjal launched the drive in the locality near Manipur Public Service Commission. During the drive, which began from 9:30 a.m., police arrested 10 persons, including 2 women. Those arrested included drug abusers and persons who indulged in immoral activities. The arrested persons were taken to Imphal police station. RIMS Hospital and Dental College, RIMS, will remain open on January 9. Medical Superintendent of RIMS Hospital has asked all concerned to attend their duties on the day. Now the sports news. Kurai Polo Club, MPSC Team C and Nambul Mapal Polo Club Team B won their respective matches played today in 33rd Men's State Polo Tournament. Kurai Polo Club defeated ex-Polo Club Wangkai by 4-3 goals. MPSC Team C defeated Kangleipak Polo Star by 8-1 goals and Nambul Mapal Polo Club defeated KNMM Riding School Singjamai by 5-3 goals. A grassroots football development program organized by Veteran Soccer Association Imphal kicked off today at Thao Ground, Tangmeiban. The program aims at providing training to young talent. Altogether, 135 boys and girls from 10 and 14 years from different parts of Manipur are taking part in the program. The program is being held under convener W. Joy Sankar. 11 coaches including VSI coaches, AFCA, B and C license holders will provide training to the young players.
Sanaroi mayam sina akhoi angang macha mayam sibu semgat ningba adagi Manipur gi football sida mateng khajiktang oigadra haibagi pandamda akhoi gi basai da leijariba akhoi gi AFC Asian Football Confederation gi koi license holder coaches akhoi Nepal leijai Nipan sida akhoi gi atopa coach ahum gumba maga akhoi na hapchan jaraga Manipur gi football develop tawbada mateng khajiktang oigadra haina akhoi na development program asi pangthok chabani.
In the 8 M. Ravichandra Memorial Football Tournament played at Kiamgai Ideal High School, Roja FC Santipur defeated DCK Kiamgai by 3-2 goals and FC Hairok got walkover as their opponent KYPC Kiamgai didn't turn up. Nitrajet kicked 2 goals and Romario kicked 1 goal for the winning team. Roja FC Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Former minister and renowned historian Professor Gamu Meikame passes away. He was 76. BJP Manipur Pradesh President is likely to discuss party ticket with national leaders in Delhi on January 8. Drivers and owners decided not to cooperate in vehicle requisition if hiring charges are not upgraded. And opposition leaders urge Election Commission to postpone union budget presentation just ahead of assembly polls in 5 states.